Hello, my name is Vivek. Welcome to Smart BTech Education YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll discuss about structure of DBMS. So this is the diagram of the structure of DBMS. It consists of applications, end users, DDL and DML compiler, query optimizer and DDL compiler, storage data manager, data files compiled, DML and data dictionary. So let us discuss about each and every thing of which is present in this diagram. So let's start with applications. So in applications, what is an application? It can be considered as a user-friendly web page for the where the user enters the request is called applications. Coming to the end users, they are the real users of the database. They can be developers, designers, or actual users of the database. It's called end users. Coming to DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DDL is a query fired to create a database schema, tables, mappings in the database is called DDL. Coming to DDL compiler. What is a DDL compiler? When the user inserts, deletes, updates or retrieves the record from the database, he will be sending request which he understands by pressing some buttons is called DDL compiler. That means when the user sends a data, whether it is inserted or deleted or updated, it retrieves the record from database. It's called a DDL compiler. So we have discussed about applications, end users, DDL and DDL compiler in this first page. Coming to the next page, query optimizer, storage data manager, data files, compile DML, data dictionary. So let us discuss about query optimizer. When user fires some request, he is at least bothered how it will be fired on the database. Is called query optimizer. Coming to stored data manager, this is also known as database control system. It is one of the main central system of the database. Coming to the data files. What is a data files? It has the real data stored in it. It's called the data files. What is a compiled DML? Some of the process DML statements like insert, update or delete are stored in it so that if there is a similar request will be reused. That means there will be statements which are inserted and updated and which is stored in the DML, and similar request will be reused. The same data will be reused in compiled DML. Coming to the data dictionary, it contains all information about the database. This is about the data dictionary. We have discussed about query optimizer, stored data manager, data files, compiled DML, and data dictionary. In the next video, I'll be discussing about data abstraction, types of attributes, strong entity versus weak entity, comparison between strong entity and weak entity. If you like this video, hit a like or subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.